It's a 2019 INFINITI QX30. There's no fun in being like everybody else, so don't go for another average ride. This QX30 has a bold and strong design that looks great in the city or on a weekend adventure. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: auto shift manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. For the distinctive life, you need a distinctive vehicle. Make it an INFINITI. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.